Hey guys, Tone Fernandez here. And today, guys, I'm going to be talking about how to create 1-minute TikTok videos that, number one, increase your followers online on TikTok. Number two, that you can repurpose and use on other social media platforms. And number three, that ultimately get you leads for your business and clients. So we're going to get started. So TikTok has been blowing up, as you can see there. The amount of users and the amount of time, most importantly, that people spend on TikTok has been skyrocketing. Now, why is that? Well, the platform is easy to use. It's catching some of the newer generation's attention, and it's making some of the older generation take a look at it, including myself. You know, I'm an older millennial, and I flocked to TikTok to see what all the fuss is about, and I see why. TikTok, when it comes to an entertainment perspective, can grasp your attention a lot easier than any other platform. What TikTok does, just like Facebook, is they put content in front of you on your For You page that they think that you would like, and they think that pertains to things that you like. And they do it really well compared to any other platform. And because the format is just, short video clips or pictures with music and with, text, it's easier for today's, individual, people of today with short attention spans to pay attention to that. So how can you use this to your advantage? Well, as a beginner, one thing I recommend is when you're creating your TikTok page is to start using education, right? Create, videos under 60 seconds that educate individuals in the realm of your industry, who you are, what you do, and then start breaking down topics within your niche that you can solve. For example, I run a financial services business. So when I came to topics of, 1 minute or less videos, I came up with a whole notebook of topics. And every day I look at that notebook and I say, okay, what video am I going to do today? And they're simple topics, right? They don't have to be super complicated. And the reason being is sometimes because we've been in our industry so long that we want to come up with this super complicated topic. But your beginners, the people that want to just learn a little bit about your industry, will be, they'll be entertained, and they would love the snippet, small information that you may think is so mundane and so simple. So the number one is make sure that you start creating videos under 60 seconds that educate people, right? That's going to start drawing people to you, and TikTok is going to find a way to put that in front of the right people. What happens is when you create content on TikTok, and TikTok sees it, they put it in front of a test audience, right? A small test audience. And if that test audience starts to like it, they put it in front of a bigger pool audience, and so on and so forth. And that's how you go viral. If you look at TikTok and you notice that, some brand new people without that many followers go viral, that's the reason why. The algorithm is so great because it can reward new people who have never been using this before. But if the content is good, it pertains to certain people, it's going to blow up. So the first thing you want to do is just start creating a list of topics that you can go over that are 1 minute or less, and just go in front of your camera. Obviously, make sure your camera is portrait, not landscape, and just do your quick 1 minute videos. At the end of those videos, you can make your quick edits, add your music to make it a little bit more entertaining. And what happens is that'll give it a little spice. It'll give it a little bit more entertainment to it. As you start to continue, have a plan to start entertaining people, right? You educate and you entertain. For example, there's a lot of TikTok trends. So you take a TikTok trend and you mix it with a spin about your industry. Then what happens is you can keep along with the entertainment and the trends going on, but with the spin about your industry. So you're still adding value to people. So that's number one. Number two is once you upload that video, there's an option, a toggle switch on TikTok that allows you to download that video already edited with the music and everything to your phone. So what will allow you to save more time is you can take that same video that has been downloaded to your phone, you can upload it to Facebook, you can upload it to Instagram, Reels, you can upload it to LinkedIn if you like. And what will happen, that 1 minute video that took you probably 10 minutes or less to create is now repurposed. Even on YouTube. YouTube has something where it's called shorts, meaning short videos, right? We're used to seeing long videos on YouTube of 10, 15 minutes. But now, in order to compete with TikTok and to compete with Instagram, YouTube has now allowed little short videos and snippets on their platform to compete with the short attention span of today's people. So for you, you can take one piece of TikTok content, create it, and you can repurpose it on many platforms. What that does, it'll save you time. It'll save you all the ideas that you have to come up with creating long content. and it'll allow you to focus on your money-making activities while building your brand on the side. What's going to happen? If you stay consistent, some of the benefits you'll see is more subscribers to your channels, more followers, things like that. Number two, more inquiries. I got a few leads for my life insurance business just by adding information online, just by sharing simple tips that are simple to me, but to a person who's wanting to learn about my industry, it's huge to them. And I started to get a lot of likes, shares, and things like that. So my channel is not huge yet, but it's starting to grow every day. I can count on getting a few followers every day, which it's pretty good because over time I can see thousands and thousands of followers. So just wanted to share that with you guys as a quick tip on creating 1-minute TikTok videos, how that can benefit your business, save you time so you don't have to create all this type of content, and still allow you to build your brand, get leads, and grow your business. So appreciate you guys for jumping on. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you are watching this video, I have a free giveaway below. It's my Profile Profits cheat sheet. It's a quick ebook that gives you 5 areas on your Facebook profile to change that it can apply to other social media platforms as well. But if you enhance these areas on your profile, you can turn your social media profile into a lead magnet. So appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys out there.